Hey there everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today I wanted to share with you a project that I made over the weekend, but first let me share the supplies that I used. I made a banner and I used my mini alphabet punch board. With this punch board, guys, I did not like the V. It looked like a U. I tried to shape it up a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. So I used that. And I used this paper pad. My BFF sent it to me from out of state, and I used specifically this paper because this is why she sent it to me, because I really love the little trucks. Now, I also used a ribbon that I found at Hobby Lobby I went on Saturday, and I hadn't been to Hobby Lobby for Christmas anything. So I got this ribbon, and BFF, I'm sorry, I found these at Hobby Lobby. Everything was 50% off. I had been looking for something like this for my best friend that lives out of state, and I didn't find anything at Michael's, and I just didn't think to go to Hobby Lobby, but I found these, so I used these. And I also found some of the, what are these called? The glitter foam balls, something like that. So I used some of these, and then I used this trim, but I only used the stars. I cut them individually. So I used this. This was given to me in a swap. And then I used some of my little tiny bling pieces. And I used some of the big balls from the Dollar Tree. I just love those. So let me show you my banner. So this is the banner that I made. I had to make a template for the banner to be able to cut out the pieces. I cut a piece of chipboard. Each of these are cut on a piece of chipboard. And then I also put some red cardstock on there on the front and on the back, and that made them really sturdy. And there's the B. Here is what I did to each one of them. On the top I put a gold foil piece of square, and then I used my scoreboard to make the little lines on there to make it look, you know, just a little different. And then here is the bow that I made for each one, a little star in the center. The letters I cut out in black. And here are the flowers. I went ahead and put some, let me see if I can get you in a little bit closer. I put some glitter on there. And the glitter that I used was this from Studio G. And this is glitter glue. So that I put some glitter glue on the poinsettias. They're my little pieces here. And just rub some of that glitter around the edges just to give it some more sparkle. And these are the little leaves that I had made with the Heartfelt Creations. I had shared that with you guys, but I made the little holly leaves, and I put some of the little glitter pebbles. I think they're called glitter pebbles on there. And yeah, there we go. And then I used a ball for this, you know, to separate each letter. There we go. And there's the E. And oh, and then I also made a template for the centerpiece, the top mat piece. Let me zoom you back out. Okay, so I also made the template for the mat, for the light banner. Although on here, I cut the top piece off. And as you can see, they fit perfectly, but I cut the top piece off because I knew I was going to put this up on a dimension. So I just cut the center piece. Now guys, B-E-L-I-E. Okay, let me show you the V, which I'm not too happy about, but see, like it still looks like a U. So it is what it is. And because I wanted it the same shape and the same thickness on, you know, just, if anyone has a question, they're gonna have to ask me. But anyway, that is my banner that I made over the weekend. I am feeling accomplished. I love the way it turned out. I am going to try to link this in the description box as a picture maybe. And if you want to make one, you can just print it out and you'll have a template for the banner. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to everyone later. Oh, I'm gonna go put it up and then show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, there is my banner. I love how it turned out. And this is the area, where am I? Over here that I normally decorate. That's my guest bedroom. So this is my banner. Yes, I love the way it turned out. Man, I love that. Okay, guys, I hope you have enjoyed my tutorial. It's not a tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed my project share for the weekend. And you know what, guys? I do not know if I've ever shown you this. This is one of those diamond paintings. My best friend made that for me. Oh, I just love it. She matches nothing in my dining area, and I don't care. I just love it. It turned out beautiful. But anyway, so there is my banner, guys. Hope to talk to everyone later, and y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.